Changing gears, we're going straight across to B. Thiagarajan, Executive Director at Blue Star Limited, joining us this afternoon on Power Lunch. Good afternoon, sir. Thank you for joining us on NDTV Profit. We understand there's a new air conditioning system launched today by Blue Star. What makes it different from other products in the marketplace?
Good afternoon. Thank you for talking to me. You know, the VRF systems, or the variable refrigerant flow air conditioning systems, is revolutionizing the commercial space. Just like inverter air conditioners are proliferating the residential market. These are systems where the energy efficiency is dramatically higher. It can go up to even 50%. So in 2013, when our founders Bhatt Centenary was there, we were reflecting on Blue Star's journey over the years, and we are a 72-year-old company. In 2018, we will be celebrating our Platinum Jubilee. So one challenge was thrown at us that yes, we are the oldest air conditioning company. Can we compete with the Japanese, American and Korean players? Can we come out with a product which is a new global benchmark? And we said Indian market is small, we can't invest so much in research and development, but then it was concluded by us that let us attempt something which we will be proud of, a new global benchmark. So VRF air conditioning systems we took, and we said that it will have features which no other product in the world will have, and no other company has launched a product similar to ours. Then that parameters where it should be made for Indian conditions, like for example, it works non-stop at 54 degrees centigrade, or delivers 100% capacity at 43 degrees centigrade, and it is able to withstand voltage fluctuation from 320 volt to 460 volts, and so many other features were incorporated. So which we are proud to release it to the market today in New Delhi. That's why we are here. And this product we are not only proud of, our customers have shown very great inclination. Because the Indian market is normally a cooling market, whereas all international players come from where they use the system for heating.
Right.
And for a truly Indian condition, make in India as well as made for India, this is the product which we are releasing.
Okay, sir. I want to take a slightly broader view now with you, go beyond today's launch and understand just how the cooling systems market is doing for Blue Star, and then we'll talk about, you know, the margin outlook, because that has been on the weaker and softer side. Tell us about the AC business going forward.
Excellent. The festival season has given us a lot of hope, and the market, I think, would have grown by around 10% during the festival season. I think we will end up by growing close to 20%. We are growing faster than the market. I think this will continue during the Christmas and New Year season, barring perhaps Tamil Nadu due to the setback we all had there due to the recent floods. But otherwise, across the country, the consumer spending is very high. Even in tier 3, 4, 5 markets, the consumer finance is picking up in a very big way, that the 0% finance scheme through which the products are being sold. And therefore, the outlook for room air conditioners driven by residential market is excellent. I can't ask for more, and I am expecting the forthcoming summer also will be a great season, barring unseasonal rains or anything that is going to happen.
Right.
But on the commercial space, where there are no major clearances required, like shop, showroom, boutiques, these are all taking off in a big way. But big commercial, still we are almost 12 months behind. On the margin front, you asked a question.
Yes.
The commodity prices are lower, but the concern is the savings are offset by the rupee depreciation. but the margins will be somewhat similar to last year. That's what I feel. It is not going to deteriorate because the rupee depreciation is compensated by lot of reductions that are taking place in the commodity front, and also the Chinese prices are coming down. So this is compensating that.
But I mean, part of the margin pressure is also coming from the other business line, which is, the electromechanical projects, the legacy orders. Once you finish that whole cycle and start getting fresh orders, that's when margins will pick up. So I mean, are we saying that at least for this financial year, the margin picture will stay pretty much status quo?
It will be marginally better than last year. See, even in electromechanical projects, the worst is behind us, so we should perform in terms of swing far better. So I do not see any problem at all. So for the rest of the year as well as next financial year, we are very optimistic about our performance. But in the results that are getting published, you should keep in mind that it is not like to like, because one particular part of the business, it has become a wholly owned subsidiary, which is the Professional Electronics and Industrial Systems, which became Blue Star Engineering and Electronics Limited. So from analyst point of view, it is better to look at a consolidated picture when it's get published.
One final quick comment, sir, on the Chennai warehouse and the hit there.
Fortunately for us, our products which are stored in the various warehouses in Tamil Nadu are safe. We didn't have any kind of a damage. But in some of the project sites, certain minor damages are there. But the most important thing is that, in Tamil Nadu, we will have close to 30% market share. In Chennai, I can say more or less every third building will have a Blue Star product there, which it can be an air conditioner, deep freezer, or a water cooler. And in quite a few of the installations, the chillers will be in the basement. So our customers are put into trouble by the floods in quite a few places. So we have mobilized teams from across India, and spare parts have been air freighted there, and we are gearing up to restore the systems for our customers and making their life easier so that they can do their business better.
Right, sir. Thanks very much.
And Blue Star as a company has come forward to, thank you.
Okay, I'm going to leave it at that. B. Thiagarajan, Executive Director, Blue Star Limited. Time for a quick break. When we